Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Fuck. Alright. Billy says not too big on the dark stages in here. Yeah, like, some of them aren't very nicely lit, I agree. Fuck. Nice. Hey, chill. Chill, 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 chill. Shit. Oh, that could have got more. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, fuck that. No. Alright, alright. Okay. I hate that little, like, delay that she can do, and that mixes the overhead and low off that string every time. Mad annoying. There's the overhead. Followed by another overhead. Damn, alright. Ah, fuck.
Ollie's right, you're slow.
Bad time to ask how the family is.
That was kind of weird. Juju says, B, do you play any other character? In this game, Flash is easily my most played. I can kind of play some Dr. Fate, some Starfire, maybe a little Supergirl, but I don't really use them. For tournament, I would really just be sticking to Flash. Maybe I would use Starfire if I played her a little bit more. Wow, that's one option. Fuck. Oh, gosh. I guess that's plus. Must be plus. Police says, I like your Manta plays. Bro, I don't really use Manta. My Manta sucks now. Wow, he didn't care. Flapjack! Lawrence, thanks for the likes, guys.
Here comes the showstopper.
Better do it quick.
John says, heard you have a really good scarecrow. You heard wrong. No. Gotta get out of here.
See? Fastest man alive.
You think I forgot?
Oh! Thank God.
Begin.
Okay. Nice. Ow. Damn, good block. Didn't punish. Ryan with the like. Thank you, Ryan. What up, Anthony? Welcome to the stream, man. You gotta admit, his trade is fun, right? Says Billy. His trade's cool and all. I think a lot of people love to complain about Adam's trade a lot, but I actually never found it to be that bad because he actually puts himself in a pretty punishable situation almost all the time whenever he uses that trait, to be honest. Nice grab. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, the resets. Oh my god, the resets are coming.
Lightning fast.
I could have already killed him. Alright.
I can see why Bruce likes you.
Because I hit like a girl.
He could have clashed. He could have clashed.
Remember, don't blink.
Crap. Oh. What up, Ryan? Welcome to the stream. How you doing, man? Anthony says Friday Flash God Lord's back. You know, we've been doing Friday Injustice days like pretty consistently out here.
Here comes the show.
James says, what's going on, B? How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. We're grinding some Injustice today because we have ourselves a tournament. First Injustice tournament in a while, in like literally years, we'll be playing today. Punch in the face. Oh shit.
Hard to fight a red blur, isn't it?
Ugh. Ugh. Ryan says, been forever since I joined your streams. Had a lot of problems with my Facebook. Wouldn't let me log in. I'm glad you got it fixed, man. Thanks for coming through. Oh, shoot. Oh, God, the overheads. Oh, God. All right, chill. Uh-oh. Woo, chill. Chill, chill, chill. You need to chill. K7, SLR, you need to chill. We need to come back. What the fuck? Wow, okay. Yikes, that was bad. Oh, come on. Come on. Damn it. I was trying to do that. Jesus. Let me press a button.
Ollie's right, you're slow.
Oh my god. Can I play? Alright. K7's clearly decided he doesn't feel like losing anymore. Clearly he decided he doesn't want to lose anymore. So Anthony says, what do you think about playing Phoenix? He's insanely good. And I hope he doesn't play in the tournament tonight. Oh, crap. Shit. Fuck. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, that doesn't work. I was hoping I could maybe anti-air, but yeah, it doesn't work. Bruh. Bro! Bro! Alright, stop. Stop.
I can see why Bruce likes you.
Because I hit like a girl.
No double flawlesses out here, man. You can flawless me, you can do all that other stuff, but no double flawless. I don't know why teching against Canary feels more difficult for some reason.
Canary wins.
Ugh. Edna, thanks for the like. Ah, fuck.
Bet you didn't see that coming.
Peter with the like. Thank you, Peter.
I'm happy to keep hitting you.
I can see why Bruce likes you.
Because I hit like a girl.
Okay, enough losing. Enough losing.